Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a startup and a test cut with this older Echo 440 EVL chainsaw. So there it is. It's an older saw for sure, but it's in good condition, and these were excellent saws. And here's the model number. Now if you take the air cover off here, you can see the carburetor underneath. Here's the air filter, there's the carb. It's a Walbro carburetor and it stays nice and clean under this compartment. Here's the switch and here's the choke lever. It's an automatic oiling chainsaw, so you don't have to push any buttons to send oil to the bar and chain. And if I'm not mistaken, it's around a 40 to 45 cc chainsaw, but it's still a fairly big chainsaw and there's quite a bit of weight to it. Anyways, I'll start it up and just do a few test cuts with it. Anyways, it's a good chainsaw. It's pretty old, but it runs good. It's built solid. Hardly any plastic on this saw at all, except for the cover here and the brake handle over here. So if you have an old chainsaw like this and you've got good compression, it's probably worth fixing up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.